today? Are you okay? Shall we do a special zing, thumbs up for creative energy with Joanna? Well, today I would like to do a creative project based on my book, on this story. Do you remember it? It's called It Was Just a Question of Time. Some of you might already have made the butterfly project from the video that I put up a day or two ago. So today, what are we going to do? We're going to make the cocoon, we're going to make the virus and the antibodies. That's an awful lot of stuff. Would you like to come and have a look and let's see what it is we need to make those objects? So here I have, this is a virus, this is an antibody, and this is the cocoon. What do I need to make my cocoon? Well, quite simply I need a loo roll like this, recycled material. Then I need a piece of card, I need some scissors, a toothpick, my pencil, an X-Acto knife, some paper scotch, and then if you like you can put a little bit of cotton wool, and I sprayed my cotton wool with perfume. You'll use a hole punch if you have one, and some string or recycled material as in ribbon. Here we have my picture of the emotions that you feel when you're safe inside your cocoon, and here I have my picture of the objects that you can find inside your cocoon, and you can download those by asking me through email. So what do? You're going to start off with your loo roll, and you're going to put it on your piece of card, and you're going to draw around the bottom to make a circle. Once you've got your circle, you'll use your scissors and you'll cut the circle out like this. What you need to do then is draw this shape. It's a triangle, 2 lines to create a pie. And so we'll take that piece away from this. Do you see? So I end up with a circle that has a triangle, an empty triangle, and I need to overlap the 2 edges like that in order to make it like a cup shape. Can you see how it becomes a cup shape? What I've done is I held it down, I've anchored it down with a piece of paper scotch. Okay, so this way I have my satellite dish top. Do you see? So the satellite dish is made with a toothpick, which is what we have here. And what you need to do is 2 dots, and then with X-Acto or scissor, depending with the mummy or daddy what they've got and how they can help you best, you basically make 2 holes and then you thread the toothpick in, after which you use more paper scotch like this, and you can just gently attach the toothpick to the top like that and anchor it down again, just to make sure that it's not going to get lost. The good thing about paper scotch is that you can paint over it and no one knows the difference. So that's what we've got. We've got the satellite dish here, and the window is also an option. And how do we do that? Well, we use the X-Acto knife, and we'll do you see here, we'll do 1 long line which is vertical and 2 lines that are horizontal. And mummy and daddy, when you cut the window, you're best to do the vertical line first and then the 2 horizontals. And then gently prise it open like this to make your window. Great. So all you've got to do now is choose colours. You can paint with tempera or acrylic paint, and you can decorate and put it together. You can also close it at the bottom like I did to make a closed cocoon. That's a lot of work, boys and girls, and if you have any energy or time left, you can make the virus and the antibody by just simply scrunching up a piece of newspaper like this into a ball. Again, you'll use paper scotch to anchor it closed, and then you can use any kind of ribbon or string like this. I used this paint area to decorate, to colour my, do you see, my string, and then I wrapped it around, and here I've got a viral green piece of work which I'm going to knock against my blue antibody and see which of them is going to win. That's a fun game. For me, for now, I say have a wonderful creative time. I hope you enjoyed everything that we've made today. I do look forward to seeing anything you make. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Thanks for joining.